severe thunderstorm warning information. The National Weather Service in Hastings has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Northwestern Mitchell County, Southwestern Jewell County, Southeastern Smith County, Northeastern Osborne County, until 5:30 p.m. At 4:42 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 6 miles southwest of Ionia to Cawker City, moving east at 15 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Cawker City around 4:45 p.m. Glen Elder around 4:50 p.m. Ionia around 5 p.m. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:30 p.m. for the following counties in Kansas, Jewell, Osborne, and Smith.